Since Cardano is going all bullish since past weeks now, we think now is the time for some hard to resist Cardano price predictions for 2021. Cardano is a blockchain project that was founded in 2015. The project is analogous to Ethereum in that it assists developers in the development of decentralized applications, or DApps. Cardano recently succeeded in introducing the idea of smart contracts, which allows people to create decentralized finance, DeFi. The Cardano ecosystem's national currency, on the other hand, is ADA. It performs the same functions as Ether on the Ethereum network and a BNB on the Binance Chain network. Chart. ADA is up for a bullish breakout. In the last 2 days, the Cardano price has remained unchanged. ADA is currently trading at 1.3260, up 42% from its low point last week. Its market capitalization is currently floating about 41 billion, rendering it the world's 6th largest cryptocurrency. The hype about the Coinbase listing faded last week, and the price of ADA plummeted. It's dropped by more than 40% from its all-time peak. However, the currency has recovered this week in what is known as a relief run. Other currencies, such as Bitcoin, have also increased in value. Most currencies, however, are already swaying as the market digests the Fed's new announcement, which kept interest rates and quantitative easing policies intact. The price of ADA increased by nearly 30% in less than 4 days, enabling it to retest the supply zone between $1.35 and $1.39. Cardano has found protection on an imminent demand barrier that spans $1.19 to $1.25, despite its failure to break through it. Consolidation between the two barriers before one camp overwhelms the other, leading to a breakout, is a possible scenario. If ADA breaks through the upper trend line of the supply barrier at $1.39, it would mark the start of a new uptrend, potentially propelling Cardano's price to all-time highs of $1.55. So where does ADA go from there? In our ADA price forecast, we predict that the currency will rise to $1.55. That hasn't happened yet, and the 4-hour chart shows that the currency has hit a significant support level of $1.3552. Cardano has also developed a bullish pennant pattern. This sequence usually results in a bullish breakout. This trend, like VeChain, occurred at the 38.2% retracement mark. As a result, in our opinion, Cardano would have a bullish breakout, with the first goal being the 23.6% retracement level of $1.4080, which is around 5% above the current level. If the price falls below the $1.25 support level, this forecast will be invalidated. Furthermore, there are only 2 weak resistance barriers at $1.36 and $1.44, where approximately 86,000 addresses that bought nearly 1.4 billion ADA are out of the money. By slicing through these roadblocks, Cardano's price will be able to retest its all-time highs on a route of least resistance. To get an upper hand in the world of crypto, subscribe to the channel today.